Burma is due to host the ASEAN Para Games for the first time this December. Here at the Aung San Stadium in Rangoon, athletes are training round the clock in preparation. But many are unhappy about the conditions of the training facilities. They say they're being unfairly treated and claim the able-bodied athletes have been given all the advantages. The athletes say the training facilities for the Para Games are substandard and lack proper equipment. Discus thrower Aung San says even the dormitories aren't equipped to cater for people with disabilities. Down at the track, the athletes vent dismay about the disparity in funding between able-bodied and disabled athletes. Ainway says if disabled sports were more recognised, it would raise the profile of the athletes. This year, the 7th ASEAN Para Games will be held in Naypyidaw. Athletes with mobility or visual disabilities, amputees and those with cerebral palsy all qualify to compete. Those at the Aung San Stadium say they will overcome the difficulties they face in the run-up to the Games. But while much attention is focused on getting ready for the SEA Games in early December, athletes competing in the Para Games risk being overlooked.